Question number 1. Consider the following statements. 1. Agricultural soils release nitrogen oxides into the environment. 2. Cattle release ammonia into the environment. 3. The poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compounds into the environment. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is D. Question number 2. What is common to the places known as Alayar, Izapa and Kangzabati? A. Recently discovered uranium deposits. B. Tropical rainforests. C. Underground cave systems. D. Water reservoirs. The correct option is D. Question number 3. In the context of proposals to the use of hydrogen-enriched CNG, H-CNG, as fuel for buses in public transport, consider the following statements. 1. The main advantage of the use of H-CNG is the elimination of carbon monoxide emissions. 2. H-CNG as fuel reduces carbon dioxide and hydrocarbon emissions. 3. Hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. 4. H-CNG makes the fuel less expensive than CNG. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is B. Question number 4. Why are dewdrops not formed on a cloudy night? A. Clouds absorb the radiation released from the Earth's surface. B. Clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. C. The Earth's surface would have low temperature on cloudy nights. D. Clouds deflect the blowing wind to ground level. The correct option is B. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. 1. The 44th Amendment to the Constitution of India introduced an article placing the election of the Prime Minister beyond judicial review. 2. The Supreme Court of India struck down the 99th Amendment to the Constitution of India as being violative of the independence of judiciary. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct option is B. Question number 6. Consider the following statements. 1. The motion to impeach a judge of the Supreme Court of India cannot be rejected by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha as per the Judges' Inquiry Act, 1968. 2. The Constitution of India defines and gives details of what constitutes incapacity and proved misbehavior of the judges of the Supreme Court of India. 3. The details of the process of impeachment of the judges of the Supreme Court of India are given in the Judges' Inquiry Act, 1968. 4. If the motion for the impeachment of a judge is taken up for voting, the law requires the motion to be backed by each House of the Parliament and supported by a majority of total membership of that House and by not less than 2/3 of total members of that House present and voting. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is C. Question number 7. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Morarji Desai. The correct option is A. Question number 8. Consider the following statements. 1. Coal sector was nationalized by the Government of India under Indira Gandhi. 2. Now, coal blocks are allocated on lottery basis. 3. Till recently, India imported coal to meet the shortages of domestic supply, but now India is self-sufficient in coal production. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is A. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. 1. The Parliament, Prevention of Disqualification Act, 1959 exempts several posts from disqualification on the grounds of office of profit. 2. The above-mentioned Act was amended 5 times. 3. The term office of profit is well defined in the Constitution of India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is A. Question number 10. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? A. 3rd schedule. B. 5th schedule. C. 9th schedule. D. 12th schedule. The correct option is B. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for instant notification. To know more about competitive exams, how to prepare and free counseling classes, contact us. Contact details are mentioned in description.